last day I was discuss about MS Access. Today I am going to discuss about MS Access, how to create table, what is table, what is field, what is data type and record. Basically, what is table? You know very well, table is a set of rows and columns. Here one example of tables is available. Just see, in employees database we can find some information about the database, last name, first name and phone number. This is a table format, and this is an example of table, how to create table. Just see, last name I am given some names over there, first name is also going there and phone number is going there. These all are formatted as a table. This is a table format. Now the table are building block of a database. You must understand one thing, the table is a building block of a database. Any type of database, table look like a building block. Now see the component of table. You can find the component of table going with three types. Field. What is field? Each column is called field. Each column is called field. Means this is, we can call field. Just see, this is a field. Then what is field? Each column of the table is known as field. These all are called field on the table. Just name, class, roll number is like this. Here we can find out last name, first name, phone number. Data type. In MS Access we can find different type of data type, like text. Number one is text. Text, it is used for text and for numbers that are not used in mathematical calculation. It means whenever you enter a text in the table, it cannot use any type of mathematical calculation, as well as cannot use any numbers. In text we can store 255 characters. Now it's clear for you. If you want to store characters in text or in data type text, you can store maximum 255 characters. Number one. Number two, memo. It contains long text. In the place of text only, in memo you can store large type of text. It can store 64. It can store 64,000 characters. Characters. Now, what is the major difference between text and memo? In text, we can store 255 characters maximum, and in memos, you can store 64,000 characters. Number three, this is all the part of field data type. Okay, just see, this is a data type. This is a data type. Memo. Next is number. In number field, it contains numeric data, and the maximum of number on this field is 16 bytes. You already have some idea about bit, byte, kilobyte, megabyte. Next is date. Time. If you want to enter date as well as time in the particular field, we are going with this data type, which is used to enter date and time. Next, number 4 is auto number. special number whenever a new record is added to a table. Auto number is a type of field which is you generate a new number automatically after typing a text in the field. After complete the field, you just press enter. We can find a new auto number box will appear with new name, a number. Next is currency. If you want to add or store currency values and then display them in different format, we can use currency. Next is yes, no. This field is used for store only one of the two possible values such as yes or no, true or false, as well as on or off. Next is hyperlink. What is hyperlink? The field which this data type can store link to website or email address. If after complete your database, if you want to link the table with website or email address, this hyperlink is used to link. If you by using hyperlink, you can link field in the website. Next is attachment. If you want to attach any extra database in a particular field, we are going with the data attachment options in data type. Next is calculated. See, this is a new data type in Access 2010. Field with this data type store result of a calculation. This totally new field. You cannot find out this field in the 2007. This 2010 coming with the new field options, which is known as a calculated. This is a new data type in MS Access. Field with this this data type stores results of a calculation. Next is lookup wizard. Next is field properties, and last but not least OLE. OLE, I'll explain later on. Just see lookup wizard. A lookup wizard helps us to create a field whose field are chosen from the value in another table, query or list of value. It means a lookup wizard helps you to create a field whose values are chosen from the values in another table. If you want to choose another table, and add the same table in the another field, we are going with lookup wizard. Field properties. After you have created a field data type, you can set additional field properties. This lets you have more control on data that you enter in particular field. Field properties basically used to control the data. OLE, it is used to attach an OLE object such as Word document. If you want to attach OLE object, what is the full form of OLE? Object linking and embedding. It means if you want to add or attach OLE objects such as Word document, Excel, worksheet or PowerPoint presentation, it is easily attached by using OLE object. These all is a part of data type. Next is record. What is record? Record refer to row in a table. It means this is all a record. In this particular table, we can find out some columns over there or field, and we can find a record. This is a record is find out in the formation of rows in the table. There, they stores all the information about an items or object. This is one of the example of record. Now it's a little bit of clear about the table section in MS Access, where you can add some data by using table and components of table with field, data and record. Next day I am going with or explain much more about MS Access, how to create table and how to produce table and how to save the table in the database. Thank you for today.